Teal coloured skies. So cinematic. Guess what? Today you will learn the secret to how to achieve this exact look. So for this tutorial we'll be using Premiere, but you can use any software that has the ability to select and isolate individual colours. So first of all you have your footage imported into Premiere. The footage that I'm using is just bog standard 8-bit, but this is in log, so it's very flat. This is kind of obvious, but you do want enough dynamic range so that your skies are also exposed as well. So shots where the sky is completely blown out will not work for this. Create an adjustment layer and correct and grade the footage like you normally would. It's important that you do most of your colour grading first to get the best results. What you want to do is in the Lumetri Colour tab, scroll down until you get to HSL Secondary. Use the first pipette tool to select a good middle ground in your sky, something that covers the most range as far as colour and exposure is concerned. Then use the 3 sliders to isolate the sky as best as you can. I normally blur the selection a little bit. This isn't blurring the image, just the selection, so there isn't as much of a hard edge between that and the rest of the image. I then pull the middle of the correction circle down towards teal. Feel free to adjust the other settings as well, like saturation, temperature and tint, until you get the desired look. And abracadabra, there we have it, our bluey tealy skies. It's important to bear in mind that less is more. You don't want to be super obvious that you've done this. Subtle is often better. Hopefully you've got something out of this. Oh, can you do me a favour and just test if the like button works by pressing it? See if it works. You only have to do it once. Oh, and you might as well just test the subscribe button as well. Just see if it works, you know?